Yeah, I have never seen a cougar mountain biking, and I've ridden in these trails over 30 years. That's crazy, eh? Like, they're out here, that's for sure.
A lot of baby heads in there.
Yeah.
Put my pinky on the tree.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm running 3 cars right now.
Was it 800?
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa. 800s on an XC bike.
I know, crazy.
Yeah.
It really helps it out.
Yeah, I bet.
And the thing is, you're cutting them down to almost nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, they were shoulder weight.
Yeah, I forget. What would the width have been on a, say, a 1991 Answer super light?
Oh, probably like 620 or 6.
Yeah. Just stock at that size.
Yeah.
Yeah, Scotty's going left, we're going right.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, man. Fucking
What a
great.
pleasure to see you, Scott.
Yeah,
Always.
thanks, guys.
Me seeing the shop this week. I'm gonna get some shoes.
We're on holidays this week.
The whole week?
Yeah, I'm not back until the 26th.
No. Okay.
Well, the shop's open, but
I'll let you go down when you're there.